Have you ever fantasized about getting paid the big bucks to goof around on your phone all day? It seems like that's exactly what happens when you figure out how to monetize TikTok. We see it every day. There are tons of influencers who are making millions of dollars a year through their TikTok accounts. Today, we'll tell you how to make money with TikTok. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you would get notified when we upload the next video. Number 5. Become a TikTok influencer. You know the saying, build it and they will come. This concept applies to TikTok too. If you build an account with a loyal and engaged following, you'll be able to score influencer partnerships with brands all over the world that want to connect with your audience. In an influencer marketing arrangement, a brand will ask you to promote their products or services in your TikTok videos. The most common type of payment is money or free stuff from the company. For example, Charli D'Amelio, one of the biggest TikTokers out there, is an influencer for P&G, one of the biggest brands out there. While some people think that you need millions of followers like Charli to become an influencer, that's not the case. A lot of brands prefer to work with micro-influencers or influencers with a small number of followers. The definition of micro-influencer can be different depending on who you're talking to and the size of the market you're targeting. But it's generally between 5,000 and 50,000 followers. To become a successful influencer, it's a good idea to have a niche or a specific theme or topic for your account and posts. This way, brands will be able to clearly identify if you're a good match for the products and services they'd like you to help promote. Number 4. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Many businesses would like to have a presence on TikTok, but don't have the time or resources to create and grow an account. Why not offer them a fast track to TikTok growth? You can do this by growing and selling TikTok accounts. For some time now, people have built social media accounts and sold them to make money. For instance, 23-year-old Rami Haloon makes around $30,000 annually using this TikTok monetization strategy. To successfully sell TikTok accounts, you need more than just an attractive range of videos on your account. You'll also need a specific focus and a dedicated following. Themed or niche accounts are easier to sell because the buyer can continue creating the same kind of content after the purchase to maintain the followers. For example, if you sell an account that features short videos related to unboxing, the brand you sell to can continue posting the same type of videos in the future. Personal accounts are much harder to sell because followers may be drawn to one person rather than the style of content. When flipping TikTok accounts, you'll need to build a strong content strategy, engage with followers regularly, and give buyers advice on how to get further engagement on their newly bought account. Number 3. Publish sponsored posts. Another way to monetize your TikTok account is through sponsored content. This is when brands approach you, or you approach them, to feature their offerings in your video. In return, they pay you a fee to compensate for your service. You can start by working with smaller brands to build up your portfolio. Reach out to local businesses in your area to see if they'd be interested in getting featured on TikTok. One of the most innovative ways TikTok allows its creators to make money is through its Creator Marketplace. The Creator Marketplace helps connect the right brands to the right influencers, facilitating partnerships in a way that's fast and easy for both parties. Brands looking to run an influencer campaign are able to browse the marketplace and quickly shuffle through content made by creators they can be sure are open to partnering with brands. The Creator Marketplace acts as an influencer agency, letting both sides indicate whether their willingness to work with one another, relieving some of the awkwardness of approaching influencers that marketers might experience with influencer marketing on other platforms. It might be a good idea to charge a minimum fee in the beginning, then work your way up once you start gaining recognition as a TikTok creator. But if you'd rather charge high and have brands come to you, consider joining the TikTok Creator Marketplace, TCM. For those unfamiliar, TCM is a collaboration platform that allows brands to connect and run marketing campaigns with TikTokers. However, you need to have over 100,000 followers, be at least 18 years old, and receive over 100,000 video likes in the past 28 days to apply. So if you're a new creator, it's best to focus on making creative TikTok videos that you can share with brands to get some sponsorships. Number 2. Sell your own products. Selling your own product is great for monetizing nearly any type of content. Any creator, whether they are a dancer, singer, or comedian, can make and sell merch to their most loyal fans. And with a wide variety of print-on-demand companies, there's a ton of merchandise to choose from. You might sell t-shirts, tote bags, pillowcases, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, notebooks, or any combination of products. Selling print-on-demand products even has benefits beyond revenue. Owning branded merch gives your fans a more personal connection to your work, and every follower that wears your gear in public creates new opportunities to spread the word about your brand wherever they go. If you're from the US, Canada, or the UK and have a TikTok for Business account, you might be able to add a shopping tab and product links to your profile. The shopping tab is basically a new feature resulting from TikTok's partnership with Shopify. It's designed to help TikTokers with a Shopify store promote their products through the app. Users who click a product link are redirected to the merchant's Shopify store for purchase. Although it's not a direct way of making money on TikTok, you'd still earn by generating sales for your business. Pro tip: if you don't have a lot of followers on TikTok, you can endorse your products by creating unique TikTok videos. For instance, if you have a business selling food products, you can make 30-second recipe videos and share them on TikTok. Be creative. And now, number 1. Start a TikTok talent management agency. Do you have experience with talent management, social media marketing, or production? You could create a business that consults and manages accounts for famous TikTokers. If you think about it, it's similar to actors having their own talent managers. This is an especially helpful service for those people who have gone viral overnight. They make an awesome video, wake up in the morning, and bam, they have more followers than ever. But they have no idea how to keep the momentum going. That's where you come in as a talent manager. You can help influencers to find partnerships with brands that match their image and follower interests, negotiate deals and agreements on their behalf, advise them on a content strategy to maximize their exposure and engagement, come up with new and interesting ways to make money for both of you. Do let us know in the comments which one of them you would like to try. Thanks for watching.